Do you want the perfect offer to be selling right this second, like right now? Now is the time to be selling this. This is the perfect thing to get out there and start making some money from it. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the Halloween coloring book PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat?
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you very much for your opinion. I like the hat, okay? Thank you. Seriously. Hats are good. I like hats. Yeah, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is I review software and products and they make me online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap? I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, thank you, but I didn't ask your opinion, and I personally don't like crap. These fine people don't like crap either. So why don't you just butt out, okay? Seriously, enough. Anyhow, if you are new, the way these work here, if I like the product, I will give a tip. My hat's a product creator. If I don't, good luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, I do love Liz. You know, even though I'm no longer a New Yorker anymore, she's such a sweetheart. I can't get angry at the lady. Who can get angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button to the bell icon. To be notified when I drop new videos. Can break the subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Halloween coloring bundle. Now, this is a package of, basically it's a coloring book that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus, whatever. The nice thing is you can, what I would recommend you use this for, rather than try to sell it, although I'm going to give you a way to sell it also as one of my custom bonuses. Rather than try to sell it, I would use this to generate goodwill with your customers. You know, if you have a list, you can say, hey, if you got kids, here's a free Halloween coloring book for you. Okay, and you just send it out, you know, and they can print it out. The kids can color and they can have fun for Halloween. It's a nice thing. It'll just do the job really, really quickly. But if you don't want to sell it, what I'm going to offer you for my custom bonus is two things. First of all, I have a video that I created showing you how to create custom Kindle print on demand covers easily, like in a few minutes. And basically what that means is that you'll be able to create a cover that's ready to go, and you can actually sell these things on Kindle print on demand. It's different than a Kindle. It's not a digital thing. This is actually a printable book. And the idea is that when you sell these things through KDP, basically you format it once and then you just keep selling it forever. So, you know, even if you're saying to me, Eric, you know what, I got 10 days until Halloween. I don't know if I'm going to make it in time. First of all, this whole thing you can knock the whole business out in like 20, 30 minutes, okay, and have it up and running. But let's say for some reason you're lazy, you don't get it done until a couple of days before Halloween, you say, okay, nobody's going to buy it now. So what? Next year, it's still going to be there. It's still going to be available, and you can still sell it. That's the beautiful thing about this stuff. You set it up once, and it's just available every single year. And you can even promote it every single year. You can use this as a bonus every single year. So you have to think in a longer term point of view. Now, from the other bonus I'm going to be giving you is that I put together a package of ready-made swipes. That's emails that are ready to go that you can actually go ahead and use to sell these things to your customers if you want to sell them. Okay, so you're going to have both of those things as my customers. When you pick this up from me, I'm only going to make this offer available until Friday because obviously Halloween is going to be 1 week away at that point. So I want to make sure that you have time to be able to promote this and start making some money off of it, not just buy it as another thing that sits around. So that's why I'm going to keep this open only till Friday. I realize I'm recording this video on Wednesday afternoon, kind of late, last minute, but this is a good deal. Okay, and let's see if I'm going to give it to him as a product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I always like what Alessandro comes up with because he always comes up with stuff that's interesting, that's valuable, that's something that you're really going to get some use out of. And this one is great. Grab this one, you're going to love it.